Hello everyone! Today I'm going to create a stylish alphabet letter using the iPad like this. The app I will use is called Artstudio Pro, which is a perfect app when editing photos. This time I will mainly talk about the use of masks in today's video. Alright, let's start. From the plus button at the upper right, import a photo by tapping New from Photos. This time I'm going to import this photo of a leaf. I will then add text on top of this. To add text, there is a T mark on the toolbar on the left here, so I'll start inserting text from here. Touch anywhere on the screen and I'm going to type in the letter B this time. When changing the text size, you could do so from here, but they have 288 at max only, so I'm going to do it from the Transform tab, which is used when changing the shape. I'm going to switch the color here to white so it's easier to see. And check the layer panel to make sure the text panel is selected. Select Transform from Edit, and now you can make the text size as big as you want. So I think it's easier and quicker to change the text size from here instead. This time I'm going to display this letter as big as I can. Once it looks good, click on the Done button on the bottom right. Lower the opacity a little bit to make the leaf underneath visible. I'm going to move the letter B while keeping it. Select the Move tool at the upper right and move it like this to decide the position where the letter and the leaf overlap. Once you set the area, change the color of this letter to black and place this white layer between the text layer and the image. I want to trim the canvas size to the square while keeping it, so from the picture, select Resize Canvas. This is where you can cut an image. Type in numbers here and click OK. This will then show you transparent layers at the top and bottom, so grab a solid sheet on the bar on the left. Touch it to be painted, and now the canvas is set to white in color. You could trim later on too, but from here select 1:1 ratio to set the right position. Alright, so this will be the highlight of today's video where I'll be creating a letter design being cut out. Click on the text from Select at the top, tap Alpha to Selections and New. Now the letter B is selected. The letter B layer is selected on the layer panel here as you can see. But choose this white layer instead. With the white layer chosen, hide the letter B for now. From the plus button at the bottom, there is an Add Mask button, so tap it and choose Hide Selection, meaning it deletes the part selected. This puts the masks over the white layer and the grass underneath it becomes visible. To clarify, the section colored in black is hidden with the masks function. We are going to add more edits on this, so lower the opacity for this white layer for now to make the grass underneath slightly visible. Choose the mask layer or the layer for this letter B and grab a brush from the toolbar on the left. Set the brush color black. With the black brush being selected, color the area of this leaf where you wish to be displayed using the Apple Pencil. This enables you to create a design running over the letter. You'd have to create a mask by choosing the selection area little by little on Mac, but on the iPad you could trace and erase anywhere you like using your pen, which is very intuitive and great, I think. Alright, just like this, I managed to create a design with a leaf running over the letter. Alas, I want to change the color or the tone color of this leaf, so I'll do that using adjustment layers. Right above the leaf layer, place this layer called curves. I find the color tone this time too dark, and I want to set the contrast higher, so that's what I'm doing right now. Alright, it's complete. I'm just going to trim the image before we end. This time I created a stylish letter like this using Artstudio Pro. Even though I've mentioned this in many other videos, being able to create a mask is really important, so I hope you all check out my other videos and master it. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye!